Hello everyone, I'm your instructor from myTOEFL, and today we're going to master the Complete the Words task by analyzing a fascinating passage about the Hawaiian Islands. This exercise is all about using context clues and logical flow to rebuild a text. So let's dive in and see how the surrounding details guide us to the right answers. If you find these strategies helpful for your prep, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL and join our community of learners. Let's keep working together to reach your goal score. Let's begin by examining the opening sentence of the passage. This sentence establishes the primary topic and provides the necessary background information without any missing letters. Use this context to understand the geological process being described. The Hawaiian Islands were formed over millions of years by volcanic activity deep under the surface of the Pacific Ocean. This sentence introduces the origin of the Hawaiian Islands, explaining that they were formed through a specific geological event. It specifies that the cause was volcanic activity occurring deep under the ocean surface, a process that spanned millions of years. Moving further into the paragraph, this sentence describes the growth of the volcanoes as they reach the surface. It helps us visualize the transition from an underwater mountain to an island. Each unique shield volcano slowly grew taller until it finally broke through the waves and emerged into the bright sunlight. The focus here is on the development of the shield volcano, detailing how it slowly grew taller over time. The phrase "broke through the waves" marks the transition to the surface, where the land finally emerged into the bright sunlight. This final full sentence shows that the formation of the islands is an ongoing event. It provides crucial details about how the landscape continues to change in the present day. This incredible natural process continues to add land today as liquid lava flows steadily down the steep rocky slopes toward the blue sea. The author notes that this incredible natural process is still active and continues to add land today. The growth is fueled by liquid lava that flows steadily down the rocky slopes until it reaches the blue sea. Now that we have established the context of volcanic island formation, let's look at the summary sentences. These sentences contain gaps that we need to fill by applying the logic and vocabulary we just reviewed. HA first sprang to one. To begin this description, we need an adjective that characterizes the temperature of the geological feature. Given that the text mentions volcanic activity and liquid lava, we can deduce that the temperature is extremely high, therefore the correct answer is hot. Hot sis. After describing the temperature, we need a noun to identify the specific geological location. In the context of a stationary source of heat that forms islands, the term used is a spot. Therefore, the correct answer is spot. Hot spot slowly pew. We are looking for a verb to describe how the heat source interacted with the molten rock. Since the volcanoes slowly grew taller and eventually emerged above the water, we know the force was directed upward. Therefore, the correct answer is pushed. A hot spot slowly pushed magma through the crust to create MAO. No. Yes. The sentence concludes by naming the structure created by this process. The passage refers to a shield volcano with rocky slopes that reaches the sunlight, which is a type of landform. Therefore, the correct answer is mountain. So, H-H-O. This word acts as a conjunction to set the scene for the following actions. It indicates that while the crust was in motion, other events were occurring. Therefore, the correct answer is as. As the P8, as the Piang Bass, one friends, as of. We need a noun representing the large section of the Earth's crust that moves. Based on the description of islands being formed over millions of years in the ocean, we are discussing a tectonic plate. Therefore, the correct answer is plate. As the plate MM. This verb describes the change in position of the tectonic section. Since the geological process continues and results in new formations across the ocean, the crust must have moved. Therefore, the correct answer is moved. As the plate moved, ball, erd. Here we need an adjective to describe the vents. Since the entire passage is centered on volcanic activity and liquid lava, it is contextually appropriate to describe the vents as volcanic. Therefore, the correct answer is volcanic. As the plate moved, volcanic vents fofo. We need a verb to describe the creation of these vents. The first sentence established that the islands were formed by activity, and the same verb applies to the creation of the vents, therefore the correct answer is formed. As the plate moved, volcanic vents formed several new is. The final word identifies the result of this process. The passage began with the Hawaiian Islands, and this summary sentence explains how the movement created several new islands, therefore the correct answer is islands. People, great job today. When tackling complete the words questions, always remember to use the full context of the paragraph to predict the missing vocabulary. Focus on the relationship between sentences, such as cause and effect or chronological order, to ensure your choices fit the logical flow. Keep practicing these connections, and you'll see your reading score improve steadily.